ओके सो मैं आप लोगों को बता देता हूँ सिट्रिक्स ऑन प्रमाइसेस आई थिंक मेजोरिटी है राइट नाउ बट द फ्यूचर इज सिट्रिक्स क्लाउड ओके so as you can see on your screen we are into the Citrix cloud website and here Mayur is just trying to create Citrix cloud account over here ठीक है मयूर क्या सिलेक्ट किया तुमने इसको वर्चुअलाइजेशन कर दो क्लिक ऑन द वर्चुअलाइजेशन कंटिन्यू तो मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगा एक वेबसाइट है दैट इज citrix.cloud.com उस वेबसाइट पे जाना एंड प्लीज डू क्रिएट योर अकाउंट ओके क्योंकि वो अकाउंट तुमको एडवांस लेवल की एक्सेस दे देगा ओनली 7 डेज के लिए देगा लेकिन चलेगा इसको करो मे
सर
बी लेटर
मैं भी सेम इसमें ही हूँ सर, वही citrix.cloud.com में ही हूँ और मैं
हाँ हाँ
लॉगिन हूँ ऑलरेडी, मेरा
हाँ
नीचे
बराबर
दिख
है
रहा है
बराबर
अकाउंट।
बराबर है तो एक काम करो इसको मे बी लेटर कर दो मे बी लेटर आप हम वो यार वो टोकन एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा टोकन हम बाद में सेटअप कर लेंगे इसको पॉपअप को
ठीक है।
क्लोज मारो अरे इसको क्लोज मार दो ना व्हेन यू आर रेडी यू कैन फाइंड वट एवर इट इज शोइंग राइट इसको क्लोज मारो ना हाँ तो अभी एक काम करो यू हैव करंटली स्क्रॉल डाउन Atul, I think you can turn off your camera, man. This session is being getting recorded, okay? So I do not want my sessions, to be uploaded over there with your face. हैं? I think इसने कैमरा ऑफ किया कि ये लीव कर गया बंदा. Guys, I'm getting one call. Guys, can you hear me?
यस सर।
मेरे को एक कॉल आ रहा है. I'm getting one call. मैं म्यूट पे जा रहा हूँ. मैं 2 मिनट में बैक आता हूँ, ओके?
ओके
It's Mahesh. It's Mahesh. क्या है? बढ़िया बढ़िया. मजे नथिंग मजे सर टुडे संडे तो जितना हो सकता है उतना मजे ये है नहीं मैं आई गॉट यू नो मैन आई थिंक आई गॉट दैट नंबर मींस आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर मैन मींस नेम बट इन माय मोबाइल आई एम गेटिंग माय टेक आईटी सॉल्यूशन माय टेक आईटी सॉल्यूशंस या फ्रॉम ट्रू कॉलर एक्चुअली सो आई थिंक सेम नंबर से आपने मुझे आई थिंक कल या परसों कॉल किया था या आई थिंक सेम नंबर से आपने मुझे परसों कॉल किया
बोलते वाहिनी बघते
Yeah, hello guys. Sorry, I got a call from my corporate actually. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with अतुल. मयूर एक काम करो, ये जो तुमने ओपन कर रखा है, अच्छा ठीक है, एक काम करो, स्क्रॉल अप स्क्रॉल अप. इसमें क्या किया है? नहीं 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 नहीं, एक काम करो, वेट. ये जो लिखा हुआ ना, डैश स्टैंडर्ड फॉर अज्यूर, डैश, हाँ इस पे कर दो, ट्राई नाउ पे क्लिक मारो. ये हम क्लाउड लेवल की बात कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा एडवांस लेवल है, ठीक है. रिक्वेस्ट कर दो, तो इससे हमें क्या होगा, सिट्रिक्स क्लाउड का एक्सेस मिल जाएगा, और 7 डेज के लिए मिलेगा, लेकिन वो मोर देन इनफ है. ओके.
तो 7 डेज के बाद एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ, नया ईमेल अकाउंट बनाओ, नया अकाउंट खोलो, जुगाड़ करनी पड़ेगी, राइट. और
ठीक है.
दूसरा ऑप्शन ये है, अपना क्रेडिट कार्ड डालो और पैसे कटवाओ.
अच्छा.
तो वो तो हम करेंगे नहीं, हम क्या करेंगे? अरे यार, ठीक है.
मतलब नॉर्मल
रिक्वेस्ट,
यूज करने से कितना बिल आ सकता
एक मिनट. हेलो, यस, हाँ. फोन कब लगाया था? आप कॉल बैक कर रही हो, कहाँ हो? हाँ ठीक है ना, एक काम करना, मेरे को घर जाके फोन लगाना, ठीक है, और ध्यान से लगाना, बोलना मत, ठीक है. हाँ, ये बड़ा, एक दो की जगह इसको 10 करो. सिट्रिक्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जो डाला है ना, इसको 10 कर दो एटलीस्ट. हाँ.
मैं सर रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही क्या?
हाँ हो रही है.
ठीक है सर.
इसको कर दो, ये वाला, सेकंड लास्ट, प्रोवाइड डेस्कटॉप टू डेवलपर्स एंड डिजाइनर्स, ठीक है. और ये हैशटैग पे क्लिक करो. लेस इन बिटवीन 100 to 500, 500 कर दो. और टाइम फ्रेम में 6 महीने डाल दो, 3 to 6 कर दो. वो मिलेगा 7 डेज के लिए, कुछ भी सिलेक्ट कर, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. रिक्वेस्ट मारो, वेट करो. ठीक है, अभी एक काम करना, एक काम करो, किधर गया रिक्वेस्ट? हाँ, इस पे व्यू ट्रायल स्टेटस पे क्लिक करो. हाँ क्लिक करो. ठीक है, वो भी अप्रूव होगा फिर, ठीक है, देखते हैं. तो एक काम करना मायूर, जब ये जो नीचे दिख रहा है ना, एक्सेस ग्रांटेड ऊपर दिख रहा है ना राइट हैंड पे, जब ये एक्सेस ग्रांटेड पे आ जाए ना, इसका मतलब तुम्हारा सब्सक्रिप्शन चालू हो जाएगा, ठीक. तो
ठीक है.
एक काम करो, अभी तुम्हारा स्क्रीन बंद कर दो.
ये टाइम लेगा क्या सर?
यार लेता है दो, मीन्स 2-3 घंटे वो लेगा आराम से. ठीक है, तो अतुल, मायूर और आई थिंक ब्रजेश, आप लोगों के लिए क्लास का काइंड ऑफ डेमो है, एंड वी आर हियर विद द अतुल, राइट. अतुल, कैन यू हियर मी?
यस 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 सर, यस सर.
ठीक है, जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट. सो आई थिंक एज पर आवर डिस्कशन, not sure getting this call at 8 o'clock only from today. Okay, so okay, so as per our discussion, you told me, like, you are already working as a Citrix guy somewhere, right? As a L1 or L2, whatever it is, right? So, uh, could you please explain what is Citrix and how it works? In your own words, whatever the idea you have, you can explain.
Sir, Citrix is a provide the virtualization platform where we can access the desktop and application.
Apart from
Yes,
that,
sir. Apart from this, so generally I know is to provide the virtualization environment so that we can access the hosted desktop and application over the network.
and from which product it is providing the virtualization for application and desktop? What are the names of the products?
Citrix, product name is Citrix, sir.
No, Citrix is fine. Citrix, it is a company, it is not a product, right?
Okay.
Then I heard about Citrix. I heard about Citrix NetScaler.
Yeah, NetScaler, it is for the load balancing, okay?
Yeah, correct.
Not for the virtualization. Yeah, we can use the NetScaler for
It's
virtualization as well. No issue in that. In Citrix, we are having Citrix like
Zen app
it,
and Zen desktop.
right. So earlier, those products were named GenApp and Gen Desktop, but after the release of like Citrix version 7.15, okay, so they guys renamed their product from GenApp and Gen Desktop to Citrix Virtual App and Virtual Desktop, okay. So right now, those products are known as Virtual Apps and Virtual Desktop, okay.
okay.
And out.
Okay. Mhm, yes.
So you guys are quite, means some of your guys having, some good experience in Citrix. Okay, so the next slide for you guys. Can someone please try to let me know what is that?
Sir, it's enumeration process is you can say, sir.
Who is this? Atul or who?
Yeah, Atul, sir.
Yeah, Atul. Please tell me.
What is the communication happen between the end user and the hosted desktop and application? So this is the process how the things is communicate with the end user and hosted environment,
Could
hosted
you?
GNAP desktop.
Yeah. Could you please try to explain it from left hand side? This one.
Oh yes, this is the user and devices there. Here is the user's laptop or desktop. From there, he put the enter the URL in your browser. From there, it goes to the Citrix gateway. After the Citrix gateway, they enter the user ID
What is
password.
gateway? What is gateway?
Gateway Citrix gateway.
It could be an autoscaler or it could be an autoscaler or a
yes,
firewall, right?
yes. It's,
Yeah.
it
It
could
is
be
a
an
kind of
SQL, either
access
you can
layer.
say.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
So
So it
okay,
could
guys.
be.
Let me explain you one more thing. In that layer only, we have to deploy the NetScaler. Okay. If you can't deploy firewall, you can use the NetScaler. Okay. Just after the user access layer, then you will be get into your infra. Like first, you will reach your storefront. Storefront is nothing. It is just a web page for the end user. It is a landing page. Okay. And on that web page, a user must have to enter the credentials, whatever user will get, like username and password. Then request goes to delivery controller, and then it forward it to the Active Directory server for like credential validation. Once credentials are validated, then forward the request to the again delivery controller. Then it will go to the database. Why? To check into a database like which particular application or desktop or whatever the resource is published to that particular user. Okay. And then after confirmation, it will send the query to storefront, and with the help of storefront, it will user will get like next screen over there to user will get some tiles like Windows 10 or whatever the application is there. Okay. Yeah, Atul, please continue.
Yes, sir. You explain the things here, sir. So nothing is left in it. We can explain it, sir. So user enter the URL. After that, it will be it from the Citrix gateway. So they have the right. They have the access for accessing the things are not here. Once validated from there, put the user ID and password in storefront. Once storefront once validated the things here, authenticated the things, either they have the required Gen desktop, what the things we have assigned to the user. So validated from here. So they will send to the delivery controller. Delivery controller send this credential to the Active Directory. So what kind of the permission they have? So once validated, this kind of permission is sent to the license server. Once license is assigned to the user can access the application desktop from this server video and desktop video. What kind of things they can access it. So these are the process. Yeah.
How many years of experience you have in Citrix?
Sir, I have 2-year experience.
In 2 years, you have that kind of knowledge, right? Where are you working right now?
Right now, sir, I'm working in Accidents, one of the company in Gurgaon, sir.
Exceedance, it is a part of that Colabora called earlier, or any other different organization like
It's
Colabora.
just different organizations, sir. It's a different organizations.
And what are your job responsibilities over there?
I have the limited access, sir. There from there we can create the machine catalog, creating the machines, managing the
Yeah,
licenses.
that is the basic thing, okay.
Yes,
And
yes, sir. I'm doing the basic thing only doing the basic thing, nothing else.
okay, okay, just try to explain this, what it is, if you can.
Mm-hmm. Sir, yes, a different layer. So on the different layer, have the different things here. So user layer here, the user here is the user in user layer, and access layer is the Citrix ADC. You can say where we apply the NetScaler gateway,
Okay,
or you
so
can say apply the
guys,
load
please do remember, Citrix NetScaler is now replaced like to Citrix ADC, okay. So they guys renamed their product, okay. Yeah, please
in
continue.
access layer, generally user try to access the things here with the user ID password. So and control layer generally control the things here, delivery controller which can communicate all the things here, license server or SQL server, Active Directory here. So from there you can provide the different you can say what kind of configuration, what kind of permission you have given to the user. So according to that you can control the things here. And resource layer is the resource layer from where you can host it your Gen app, Gen desktop. So these are the layers where we can do the things.
Okay, what is SQL?
SQL is a database, sir, where we can store the users devices and configurations in
And
SQL.
how many databases there in Citrix? Any idea in that part?
Yes, yes, three, sir,
Perfect.
three
Three.
databases.
Can you please
Logging
name?
monitoring,
Yeah, logging, monitoring, and
logging
another
monitoring
one.
site.
Perfect.
One is the
Okay.
site database. Yes.
And what is domain controller?
Domain controller. Domain controller is the, you can say,
It is an
it's a
active
kind
directory
of
server.
control.
It is active directory server.
It's active. Yes, we centrally we can manage the things, sir. Centrally we
Uh,
can manage the things.
and the last question: what is hypervisor or hardware layer?
Hypervisor provide the environment, sir, through which we can say we can distribute the resources. We can say where we can make our Gen app, Gen desktop.
Okay, so basically,
It's
hypervisor, it is an operating system. We have to install that OS over the physical server directly, and after that, we can take a console of that physical server and we can create n number of virtual machine as per the hardware capabilities. Okay, whatever resources we have in that hypervisor. Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. Guys, any question, anything so far here? Anyone?
No, sir.
No one? Okay, so guys, we will start from this slide only. Okay, and right now in this meeting, we are having only 2 minutes left. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just terminating that call and I'm sharing a new invite to you guys within a minute. Okay, please join from that invite. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.